Why is Pakistan celebrating today? India's confusion. Does India want war or diplomacy? And after China, America is also arming Pakistan. These are the three stories we'll be focusing on tonight's The War Room. But first, Pakistan is celebrating Marka-e-Haq. What is Marka-e-Haq? So Marka-e-Haq literally translates into the battle of the right, the battle of the true. And it is a celebration, the first anniversary of, the mini war between Pakistan and India last year. India attacked. It was unprecedented response from Pakistan. Indians called it Operation Sindoor, and the Pakistanis retaliated convincingly, and they called their operation Bunyanum Marsus. On the culmination of the operation on the 10th of May last year, Marka-e-Haq was pronounced. And Marka-e-Haq really means defending a just cause. So today, on the first anniversary, a lot of comments on social media about why Pakistan is celebrating a war. But when we saw the images coming out of the celebration Pakistan held across major cities, one thing that Pakistanis as well as Pakistan's enemies noticed was that Asim Munir was in his element today. Political watchers commented how the Field Marshal Asim Munir was in total sync with the soldiers during the march today. And that, I suppose, isn't a surprise to a lot of people because he is, I suppose, a soldier's soldier. But what surprised everyone was that he's also become the top diplomat. And that's not what Pakistani analysts are saying, but these are comments and editorials, opinion pieces by foreign journalists and editors. So why is India thinking that we should not be celebrating Marka-e-Haq? Well, let me run through a list of a few things that happened right after the mini-war between Pakistan and India. So first, the General Asim Munir, who was Chief of Army Staff, was immediately elevated to the rank of Field Marshal. Now, this rank is for life.